Okay, folks, happy Monday, 20th of January, okay, 25. Okay, this is going to be my episode 3. So this is episode 3, carrying on, with the countdown for GCSE and Antoine Maths exams, for summer 25 in May, June this year. And again, looking at, the crossover topics for higher and foundation. Okay, the first few questions on higher, I would say worth up to maybe 6, 7, or even 8 marks in the exam. Okay. And these little and often approach videos, okay, is going to help you smash, and obtain that grade 4, grade 5, grade 6, grade 7, or even grade 8 in GCSE maths, or even grade 9. Okay, question number 1. At what point does the line y equals 3x over 2 plus 9 intercept the y-axis? So the y-axis is the line x equals 0. So I'm going to substitute in, or replace x with 0 in this equation, okay, or this formulae. We're going to have 3 times 0, that'll be 0. So you have 0 over 2, or 0 halves, plus 9. So 0 divided by 2 is 0, plus that 9 makes 9. So the y-intercept, guys, is equal to 9. Okay, so the coordinates here would obviously be 0, 9, okay, if you're wondering, but it is asking what point. So the point is 9, okay, the y value is 9, okay, where it intersects or intercepts, or where it crosses the y-axis, okay. And then if it's x-axis, obviously set y equals 0, and then obviously solve it, okay, but as a rough sketch, it looks something like this, okay, as a rough sketch. Okay, that is the line y equals 3 halves x plus 9, 3x over 2 plus 9, or 3x halves plus 9. That's question 1 done. Okay, question number 2. What is 137 to the power of 0? So any number here to the power of 0 apart from 0 to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. Okay, and can be proved here quite easily. Okay, for that. So any number or term to the power of 0 is equal to 1, provided that that term or number does not equal 0. Okay, so b to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. Okay, when it's equal to 0, it's what we call indeterminate, so it has no real value. Okay, it's classed as that math error. Okay, because I can't really have 0 to the power of 0, okay, in maths. Okay, but again, that is for anyone to obviously investigate further if they want to. But it's what we call indeterminate. Okay, so there is no value. Okay, because in some arguments, sorry, I'm getting a bit off topic now, but some mathematicians argue that the answer would equal to 1. Somebody say it is equal to 0, so there's no right solution. Okay. Question number 3. Right, 2 to 5 is a product of its prime factors. Okay, so factor decomposition. So it ends in a 5. So divide it by 5. Okay, so let's work it out. So 5 into 22, that goes 4 times. Okay, with a remainder of 2. Okay, I'm doing bust up in my head. 5 and 25, go 5 times. Okay, circle the 5 because that's prime. And then 45. Okay, sorry, I've not got much space here. Is 9 times 5. Again, circle the 5 because it's prime. Okay, 9 is equal to 3 and 3. So 225, guys, is equal to 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Or I can write it as 3 squared times 5 squared. Okay. My advice for these questions here is just get in the habit to write it in like index form. Okay. If you can. Of course, they'll obviously give you the marks here, but obviously, if it says express it in index form or index notation, then you obviously you would obviously lose a mark here if you write it out in full. Okay, but in this case, they would obviously accept both. Question number 4. Okay, calculate 3 1/3, subtract 1 3/4. Okay, so we are subtracting mixed numbers. Okay, here, I've got different ways to actually work it out. Okay, so I'm going to convert them both here into top-heavy fractions or improper fractions. So 3 1/3, 3 times 3 is 9, plus that one makes 10. So we have 10 thirds, guys. Subtract 1 3/4. Well, 1 whole is 4 quarters. 4 quarters plus 3 quarters makes 7 quarters. And then I can just do my usual subtraction. Okay, I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to do this times this times this over the product of the denominator, so 3 by 4. 10 times 4 is 40. Subtract 7 times 3, that'll be 21. All over 3 times 4, that'll be 12. Okay, simplifying this, guys, what do we get? Well, we're going to get 19 twelfths. Okay, 14 minus 21 is 19, so we get 19 twelfths. Okay, which as a mixed number would be 1 whole and 7 twelfths. Because 12 goes into 19 once, with the remainder of 7, okay, or leftover of 7. Okay, hence why we get 1 whole and 7 twelfths. Okay. And that, guys, is my answer for question number 4. Okay, again, these are super common questions that could appear at the start here of a non-calculator paper for higher tier, or even calculator paper for Edexcel, AQA, and OCR. And also here, the end of a foundation tier paper here for AQA, OCR, and Edexcel. And also here, the international year exam boards for IGCSE Higher Foundation, for Pearson Edexcel, for WJEC, for SIA, for CIE, and any other international exam board that is equivalent to GCSE maths. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best. Like, subscribe, share, and comment your topic requests below. Okay, happy Monday.